Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Litecoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like several weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, Litecoin is open 24/7, so if you're watching this video, 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart may look different for you. But the goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So over the past few days, there's no doubt about it. I'm not trying to come across like this is some sort of great discovery on my part. But yeah, the bulls have been slowly drifting it back upwards. But the big event that's coming forward, and the first question that you need to ask yourself. So let's just go with the 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours from now. Question number one becomes, okay, well, where's the price at relative to that purple line there, which on my chart denotes the 50-period simple moving average. So just to offer up a little bit more context, you can see this level has provided all sorts of headaches. Now, the key thing here is it's not a question of getting up above it, because there's been plenty of times where the price has actually been able to get up above that purple line. Again, that being the 50-period moving average. The problem is staying up above it. And that's the part of a true break. A true break has two parts. The first part's always the obvious one. Yeah, price has to break above a certain level. But in order to, move to the true break point, you got to be able to actually stay up above that level. And as you see in all these instances here, the price has just not been able to do that. And that's definitely going to be the big event going forward. Is again, first off, can the price even get up above the purple line? But even if it can, that doesn't necessarily mean that everything is fine and dandy. You still got to worry about staying up above it. And again, that is going to be the key thing going forward. So to apply some actual numerical levels to that, $68 is really that key level. So the first question you're going to want to ask yourself is, okay, well, is the price up above 68? If it is, then that's definitely a great sign, and especially if it's being able to maintain above 68. Now, this is also where some gut instincts and common sense comes into play, meaning, if you're saying, well, yeah, Clay, the price is up, right here at about 68, 69. Don't get me wrong, that's good. The price is up above that purple line, and a breakout is underway. But now if you're answering the question that the price is up there at 72, well, at that point, that would tell you that not only has the breakout happened, but actually the breakout has gotten that much more continuation and is looking that much stronger. So from that angle, gut instincts, common sense, goes a long way. But really the big area going forward is $68. Can the price stay up above it? Well, I take that back. Can the price first even get up above it? And if it can it stay above it? From a support side of things, keep your eye on this trend line right here. That's been measuring essentially the drift of the price over the past few weeks. What do I mean by drift? Well, drift is just another word for trend, and you can see that the price is slowly drifting and trending upwards. So on the flip side of things, if you're saying, well, Clay, the price is actually down below 68, and not only is it down below 68, now all of a sudden it's down here at 64. Well, then at that point, that'd be a very bearish scenario, because that implies that not only was the price not able to break through that resistance, but now all of a sudden it's crashed down through that level of support. I'm not saying that'll be the case, but again, that's why that trend line can help us from the support side of things too. So keep your eye on those couple of levels, and we'll see how the next 24 to 48 hours all play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.